Hello everyone and welcome on this new deal of the day video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So guys, I'm so happy to say that the deal of the day on Pound JPY for Monday has went really very well. Look at that. The market has reversed exactly right here at the given price for the sell at 183.345. And as you can see, it went so far in total of 60 pips of profit. It was a good signal, and actually I have already announced to close it in profit this morning, because actually after analyzing it, I noticed that there is some signals for potential bullish reversal, and exactly, check this out, the market has indeed reversed. That's the reason I sent the update to close it right now in 30 pips of profit, just to secure the profits, guys, because to be honest with you, I was really nervous. I was afraid if I will have the same failure of the Pound JPY signal, which I have sent last week, so therefore I just really wanted to get done with this one to release any stress from this signal, but thankfully it really went so well with zero drawdown. So by the way guys, if anybody want to return the favor, because I'm here doing a lot of work to find for you these signals, I would really appreciate, guys, if you can open an account in IC Markets under my link and of course trade using it. You can, of course, it's like to return the favor, but again, that is really up to you. It's not something that you have to do at all. I will continue giving you the signals no matter what happen. I'm just saying, if anybody want to be kind enough to return the favor, it's not gonna be a bad idea to open account in IC Markets under my link to, so we can actually have benefits together. So anyway guys, so actually since we are done with this deal, I want now to delete it because I have already announced to close it, but now if anybody want to stay in it, that's really up to you. However, today's deal of the day will be now on gold. Now, of course, I have to say here something, guys. Just because it's coming from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable. So again, I don't want anyone to get so overhyped with the Pound JPY signal because it was really a good success. However, there is of course always a chance for any signal I'm sending to run in loss and to close it in loss. So for that, of course, everyone please be cautious and trade with proper money management, and don't ever get overhyped with any winning signal, because there is always a chance that the next one is gonna fail. So today's deal, guys, is gonna be actually on the gold, and let me just tell you something now. Right here, actually on the daily chart, so what we can see right here is actually a resistance zone, but actually guys, this candle, the daily candle, will expire in just 1 hour and 38 minutes, which means that most likely that's how this candle gonna close. So therefore, we will look right now for the next candle of Tuesday, and hopefully it will actually make a pullback to retest a broken level of a resistance, and then we can start buying the gold. Now, let me just explain to you the reason behind of this analysis. Now, by looking at the left side, right here exactly, we can notice that the market has actually created here a very strong real level of the support. Now, guys, I wanted to track the history. Look at that. Each and every time when the gold has actually made a bullish breakout from that level, it has reversed exactly on that level of a support and went in about, let's say, total of 421 pips. Then the second time also, right here, we are having a bullish breakout candle from the resistance, the first attempt of the support, and as you can see, the gold has went in total of 200 pips. Now, most likely, the history will repeat itself. Right now, we are having here the bullish breakout candle from that level of a resistance. So therefore, most likely, those levels of support will actually be respected again. And at least, we can expect 200 pips from this signal, because as you can see, the market has always been reacting to that level. Now, of course, that is not the only thing that I'm relying on. We have also to combine that with the support trend lines and resistance trend lines, and of course Fibonacci. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame. Now what I can see right here on the 4-hour time frame is a broken level of the resistance trend line, and check this out. So right here, we're having that broken level of the resistance trend line number 1, 2, and finally 3. Right here, the bullish breakout candle. So therefore, most likely we can start buying the gold exactly right here at the retest of the broken level of the resistance trend line to create a new supported trend line. Second confirmation will be actually right here using the supported trend line. So what I will do is simply draw here the support trend line just like that. Now what I will do is simply drag the very same support trend line which I have just drawn here and just place it all the way right here at the nearest support, or actually the nearest key support trend line. So as you can see, the market has actually been respecting those levels many times. Now finally we are seeing right here a bullish breakout candle, which means also that support trend line has been respected. So therefore, if the market is going to continue to fall, it will also be respecting that level of the support trend line. Finally, let's use the Fibonacci retracement just for a final confirmation, and we can see that we're actually almost at Fibonacci 50. So now, since actually all the signs says that the gold is going to continue the rise based on the daily chart and 4-hour time frame, then we can expect a very soon breakout from 61.8, and therefore the gold will most likely going to continue the rise till it reach that level of the resistance at 1943. So therefore, that's going to be our take profit level exactly right there at the nearest strong key resistance level, expecting to make approximately 190 pips profit from this signal. Meanwhile, the stop loss, guys, is going to be right here, just a little bit below that level of a support for about 110 pips of stop loss. So again, by the way, guys, you know something? Wait. Let me just first write the signal for you, then I will continue. So here goes your signal for the gold. And by the way, guys, what I wanted to tell you is look at the weekly analysis on the gold. Like that. Can you see the difference? Focus on the stop loss. Look at the stop loss and the entry of the weekly analysis. They are very similar, but however, the weekly analysis will be hidden first. Therefore, if this signal has failed, guys, don't worry about it. Most likely, if this trade is gonna ever fail, most likely it will start the bullish reversal right on our entry for the weekly analysis. So meaning we have to be careful here with the stop loss because it's very close to our entry of the weekly analysis. But again, that's gonna happen after falling for another 146 pips, which is gonna take really a while. So therefore, I would recommend you guys to join the free group of Telegram right here to receive any updates about this signal, because if I notice any price action going against our direction, I will update you right here directly before it hit the stop loss. So also I will update you if it's gonna be valid to enter this signal from the weekly analysis. So here of course goes our deal of the day for the gold. Please guys, be careful and be wise about this entry. Again, and for the last time, just because it's coming from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable. Always consider trading with a proper money management and always consider the losses they might happen. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.